Module 1, DAL, Lecture A, Introduction to the Course. Welcome to Scikit-Learn A to Z, a practical path for learning how to build, evaluate, tune, interpret, scale, and prepare machine learning workflows with Scikit-Learn. If you have a general programming foundation and want to move from scattered model experiments to disciplined, reproducible practice, this course will orient you around the core ideas that matter: how data is represented, how estimators behave, how pipelines prevent leakage, and how validation reveals whether a model is truly ready for unseen data. You'll begin with the foundations of supervised and unsupervised learning, the estimator interface, datasets, preprocessing, feature extraction, distances, kernels, and composite pipelines. From there, you'll work through the major modeling families in Scikit-Learn, including linear models, support vector machines, nearest neighbors, Gaussian processes, naive Bayes, trees, ensembles, multi-layer perceptrons, clustering, dimensionality reduction, manifold learning, mixture models, anomaly detection, semi-supervised learning, and multi-output workflows. The journey then turns to the practices that make models dependable: feature selection, cross-validation, hyperparameter search, threshold tuning, metrics for classification, regression and clustering, metadata routing, model inspection, performance optimization, persistence, and production-ready workflow design. By the end, you'll be able to choose pre-processing steps that match your data, assemble leakage-safe pipelines, compare models with appropriate validation strategies, tune hyperparameters with clear trade-offs, interpret fitted behavior with feature importance and diagnostic displays, and preserve complete workflows for reliable reuse. You'll leave with a structured mental map of Scikit-Learn and the confidence to move from a raw dataset to a tested, documented, and deployable machine learning solution.
Thank you for your attention. See you all in the next lecture.